Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can basically set a password on your Windows 11. So for that, you basically want to go over to settings. Once you're in settings, you just want to go for search for, I'm searching for it. Oh well, yeah, it's up there. I was searching down here. Well, anyways, from here you just want to go to sign in options. From here you just want to basically add a password from here. As you can see, Windows PIN, security key, whatever you want. This is going to be a physical one, so basically I'm just going to press on PIN, and then since I already have a PIN, I can change it. But if you don't have a PIN, over here it would be like add PIN or something like that, and that's what you want to do. And that's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.